Hi everyone, this is Nina Brown.
Ukiulona, and this is the Golden Mic.
Yeah. Turn the lights down. It's about that time. From the bottom.
Okay, the DMs are absolutely blowing up. People have questions about the Golden Mic, and we are here to answer them. Let's go.
Right, so we decided to do what is called a rapid fire FAQ round. Right, this is where we are going to try and answer as many questions as we can. Right, so you're probably asking yourself a lot of questions. How do you answer? How do you do this? How do you do that? In this session, we are going to try and answer as many questions as we can. So, right, Nina, let's go. First question.
Okay, first question. People are like, wait, when can we actually start entering? When can we send our videos? Has it already started? What's good? What's happening?
Right, so the big day is the 22nd of July. 22nd of July. Right, this is where we will start posting videos on our YouTube channel. Right, don't forget to subscribe. Right, but that doesn't stop you from sending your video before the 22nd, right? Because your video still requires a bit of editing that we still need to do, right? So you send the video, when you send the video, we will edit it as soon as possible, and it's going to be ready for to be uploaded, right? Once it gets uploaded, you will have to get your link on our YouTube channel, and you'll have to share it with your family, friends, and everyone that you know, right? So yeah, the big day is just the 22nd of July.
Now, someone asked, can my 12-year-old cousin enter? Can my university friend enter? What's happening, Golden Mic?
Right, so this competition is for grade 12, aka matrix students. Right, now we are not just limited to grade 12. Just for now, we can only accommodate the grade 12, right? But in the near future, we are looking forward in also accommodating other grades and even university students, right? But for now, it is only for grade 12 students. Why are we doing that? Right, we are trying to assist the grade 12 students who are talented, to give them the spotlight, and also to assist them with a little bit of finances, since there's a cash prize that is up for grabs.
Okay. Now, people want to know. Ngicula opera, ngicula amapiano, afro pop, kwenzakalani? Ngingena ngegqom, ngenze njani?
Right, so there's a song that will be uploaded on our Google Drive, and we'll try also to share it with as many people as we can. So you are supposed to listen to that song, try to memorize all the lyrics, and try to sing it. Right, you can use our instrumental that will be provided also, that you can use, but you can also show your creativity by coming up with something different, something unique, but do stick to the lyrics that will be provided or that are on the song, right? So that song will be shared, as I said, and the reason why we're using that song is because we don't like to experience issues of being copyrighted and all that, so this song is registered under us, and anyone can actually sing the song without experiencing any problems.
Okay. There's a big one. Everyone wants to know. I want to know. There is a fee involved. There is a cash prize involved, I mean. How much is that?
Of course, right. There is a cash prize involved. It is not a share of. It is basically one person, one winner, taking the whole 5,000 rands. Right. There's 5,000 rands up for grabs. We are looking forward in increasing that amount, but for now, we are going to be giving away 5,000 rands.
Okay. I'm definitely looking forward to that. I definitely hope you're looking forward to that, because that could help you. Registration, I don't know, groceries, that's actually quite the price. But then now, how is the winner actually chosen? Please tell us about that. Who is the judge? Is it the public? Is it me? Is it you? Who exactly is the judge?
Right. Just to avoid all the favoritism or something that is scripted and all that, you, the viewers, are going to be the one deciding who to win, right? How are you going to do that, right? After watching the video, you need to press your like, share it with as many people as you can, right? So the winner will be chosen according to the number of likes that the contestants or the participants have, right? So let's just say if you have 1,000 likes, right, and then others have below the 1,000 likes, then obviously you are going to be the winner, and there is going to be a time that will be provided to say this is the cut-off time. So from that time onwards, the winner will be chosen from the time that is going to be provided, right? So after that, whether someone else accumulates more likes, it wouldn't matter, right? So please do show support to each and every contestant or whoever is your favorite, right? Share it with as many people as you like. Like, subscribe also, and just support our page as we are trying to make it different in people's lives. Okay, right? And then just a bit of info also. The winner, we will verify the winner with the school and everything, because as I said, this is specifically for HL students, and therefore some people will take chances and participate, but only to find out that they are not even strict, right? So we will verify the information with the respective school, and should there be any problems, we won't be able to give out the prize, right? So please make sure you are as honest as possible. Okay, any other questions?
Well, I think we have it all. Do we have a WhatsApp number?
Oh yeah, our WhatsApp number is not yet active, but it should be active before the 20th. So please look out for more updates. Check our Instagram, our Instagram, our TikTok, and also our Facebook page, which is our Facebook page is the Golden Mind. Our TikTok account and our Instagram account is Zenography Studio. Since this competition is brought to you by Zenography Studio, yeah, please do check out our updates, and also there's going to be a poster that's going to be circulating. So please look out for that for more information. But yeah, our email is active. You can email us if you are interested in getting more information. You can also inbox us on our TikTok and also our Instagram. Right.
Well, I think that's it from me. I don't know about you. Maybe we could throw another rapid FAQ session number 2. But right now, I think we're done. So mark the 22nd of July. Q.
Right. Yes. So please, if you are talented, please tag along, participate. This is not only going to offer you a chance to win the 5,000 rands, but it's also going to give you an opportunity to get the spotlight and get, and be known for having a good voice. And also, as I said, it's going to offer you an opportunity for even other record deals that maybe they might approach you and all that. I mean, like, why let the talents go to waste? People should know that you're good at singing. So please do participate. Tell your friends, tell your families, tell your neighbors, tell everyone, basically. Tell everyone out there that there's a competition running, and we are going to be ready for you. Right.
That's it from us.
Cheers. Bye.
This is the Golden Mic.